Welcome to your GemCam Experience. Join over 20,000 jewelers who use the GemCam to supercharge their sales every day. In just 2 minutes and 12 seconds, we'll guide you through everything you need to know about your GemCam. Get ready to transform the way you capture your jewelry forever. GemCam is the world's first AI-powered camera designed specifically for jewelers like you. Inside the box, you'll find the GemCam, a power cord, and a USB-A adapter. This compact device has everything you need to capture breathtaking photos and videos in seconds. Start by connecting your GemCam to your laptop or computer with the provided cable. Make sure both ends are securely plugged in. Next, power on the GemCam. You can ensure that the GemCam is switched on by a green light indicator. Once the GemCam is powered up, go to your computer and launch the GemHub app, which is available for free on the App Store or Google Play Store. In the GemHub app, navigate to the GemCam section and select the device you're pairing it with. Today, I'll be using the Gem Lightbox Pro. You're all set up, and now the fun begins. Simply place your jewelry in the Gem Lightbox and click to capture. No need to adjust any settings or fiddle with buttons. The GemCam is designed with complete autofocus. Just point and shoot. Want to save even more time? Use the burst mode, which captures a 360-degree video and 4 photos in just 15 seconds. Plus, our AI technology identifies your jewelry and generates descriptions that highlight the metals and gems, perfect for showcasing online. Choose from 3 levels of white light for diamonds and 3 levels of yellow light for colored gemstones to achieve true colors and dazzling sparkle every time. With its 8-megapixel camera and 4K Ultra HD resolution, GemCam makes high-quality shots effortless. Once your photos and videos are ready, dive into the GemHub app. Create catalogs, share links with customers, and easily manage your stunning jewelry. You're all set to supercharge your jewelry sales with the GemCam. We're here to support your growth and simplify your experience. Thank you for joining our community of over 20,000 jewelers. We're excited to have you here. Together, let's redefine what's possible and unlock your true potential.